cap. I should get that. You want me to get the cap from her? Fish, you got another friend.
Skylar.
No, guys. Where are you guys? Right?
Because I switched to corn.
Give it to me.
I'm taking video.
Oh. I want to dedicate this fish.
To Shannon jumping off my lap. Okay, say it again.
It's okay, Maddie. It's okay.
I want to dedicate this fish to all the starving kids in Ethiopia.
One more friend to go. Thank you.
That's all.
Skylar, scoot over here, babe.
Mommy.
What?
First off, I gotta get all the moss off.
You are baked.
Want to hold it, Maddie?
Hey, fish, you're our baked. So we're gonna eat you. Listen to me good. You have 2 new friends.
Are you listening to Skylar? Yeah?
Go there.
I want you to take it out so I can get a good look at it.
That's a Uncle Fish. Look at that fish. He's bouncing. He's like,
That's not a raccoon. That is not a
It
raccoon.
is a skunk. No, it's a squirrel.
oh.
I thought it was a skunk.
I'm scared of this one. Oh, that's cool. There's a squirrel up top.
My pliers. Hey, can you give me my pliers? They're on my backpack over there.
Sorry, it's gonna jump.
Who are you talking to?
Look, Skylar, it went up a tree. Where? What? I hope it's nice. Whoa! What in the heck are you doing, Uncle Fish?
Uncle Fish?
Yeah, his name is Uncle Fish. Oh, remember Grandpa dressed up like a fish? No, that's Uncle Josh. No,
That was for Halloween. Daddy was the Christmas fish for Halloween.
No fish, you're not going to get out. You're going to be clean for bait.
Whatever you can to do not to touch it, huh?
You're dad. Sorry, thing. Dinner is served on Monday. I mean on Sunday.
It's a pretty nice reel.
No. What is that?
Is this the bargain reel? That one was $20 at Turner. Yes. Is that Geronimo?
Sorry.
Yes, buddy. What's up?
Hi, pirate Halloween.
You were a
His
pirate
name
for
is
Halloween?
Uncle Fish.
Awesome. You have a pirate shirt on too, huh?
How come you're sticking your flippers in his mouth? You got fish? You got fish? Hey, thing! Hold still! That fish? That fish?
Yes.
Stop it. Daddy, stop it. Stop it, thing.
You want to give it a kiss, Maddie?
No! What's that fish? Give me my food.
Maddie, look at me. Maddie, where's the fishy?
Look here.
Really? Where is it?
You touched it. You touched it. You touched it. You touched it.
Oh, it's all dirty.
His name is Aiden Fish, actually.
Is his name Aiden Fish, actually?
Because he looks like Aiden.
You didn't want me to take a picture?